7 things you should not do after eating. 1. Don't you even consider smoking after dinner. Smoking is horrific enough, but after a meal, it's 10 times the killer. Yep, that's right. Cigarettes contain at least 60 cancer-causing agents, which cause most cancers. So, cigarettes are bad for you after food, and earlier than meals, and in the workplace hours, and after or before that. 2. Eating fruits immediately after meals. While you consume your end result with meals, the fruit is caught inside the belly in conjunction with the contents of the meals and cannot reach the intestines in time. Mendacity there they get spoiled and smash the final meals in the stomach too. Therefore it's far encouraged that you eat a fruit no longer sooner than 1 hour after eating a meal or before your meal. 3. Drinking tea after meals. Tea includes polyphenols and tannins that internally bind the iron within the plant foods. This makes it difficult for us to take in iron. So ingesting tea is bad, in particular for kids and girls who require iron and are commonly iron poor. It's miles most excellent to drink tea handiest submit at least an hour after food. 4. Bathing after meals. Digestion requires lot of strength, as a result requires suitable drift of blood towards this give up to the stomach. Whilst we take a heat shower, it raises our frame temperature, and so that it will cool the body there is greater blood flow near the pores and skin to allow the heat to be launched. As a consequence, the blood required by way of the belly isn't always being to be had to it, and the technique of digestion suffers. So it's far advisable to wait half hour post any meals to move for bathing. 5. Walking immediately after meals. On foot at once after meals is an awful idea. It could result in acid reflux disorder and indigestion. However, walking approximately half of an hour after food is understood to be desirable for you. Researchers in the branch of workout science at the College of South Carolina have located that walking amid some rest after meals is a great manner to burn electricity. 6. Sleeping after meals. Snoozing at once after eating is bad for you due to the fact as you lie down, some amount of digestive juices from the stomach flow back to the food pipe due to the gravitational pressure, and because of its acidic nature, burn the internal layer of the meal's pipe. Consequently, people have a burning sensation inside the mouth and throat post-mendacity down without delay after a meal. When we sleep without delay once we eat, there is excessive pressure placed on the diaphragm due to the meals that is nonetheless inside the stomach. This causes snoring. 7. Loosening the belt after meals. We usually have in mind set that a terrific meal is that which forces us to loosen our belts. But loosening the belt is awful. Now, not as it causes the intestines to curve or block, but as a method that you have overeaten to a stage that you are uncomfortable with the belt turning into a noose. Loosening of the belt can also cause you to experience cozy another time, which means you can maintain overeating. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.